Before you buy any hardware wallet, there's one thing you must understand. You see, hardware wallet can be very secure, but if anyone tampered with it before it gets to you, your crypto can be at risk. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet safely, what you must check for as soon as you get it, and you are going to learn how to avoid common supply chain attacks. OneKey sent me this Classic 1S hardware wallet for review, and we're going to unbox it together. But this is not just an unboxing video. I will also be showing you simple security checks that every buyer must perform before using any hardware wallet. As soon as I receive any hardware wallet, the first thing I take a look is the packaging. You will look at the edges of the packaging to ensure that everything is intact. For instance, this string-like wrap, like sellotape, it must not be voided, and you can see it down here too. Then another important thing you need to look out for is the seal, the security seal. Look at this security seal down here. It must not be tampered with. So all those features must not be cut, peel off, or broken in any way. And any of these features must not look as if it has been glued in any way. But if it appears that your wallet arrived with damaged packaging, all you need to do is to stop and you contact the support immediately before using the package. It is very important to safeguard your crypto. Please never ignore those warning signs. So let's see what is inside. And to do that, you just turn this peel, you peel it off. Then you come to the other side to peel the other side off. And it is as simple as that. Before you know it, you just easily remove it. And you can see. So the most important things that you find inside the box are all this OneKey branding that you can place around for people to know that you are using OneKey hardware. The first most important is the manual that comes with the hardware wallet. This is the manual. The next important thing here is USB-C cable. I will walk you through the setup step by step. Then this is the recovery sheet. And lastly, the OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet. This, you can see that it is sealed and well protected. So these are what you check out for. If there's any tampering, then you contact support immediately. Another thing that is very important is this recovery sheet. By the time you open it up, it must be plain. There must not be any recovery seed inside this your recovery sheet. Let's check it. You can see this is my recovery sheet. You can see the first one is plain, nothing's inside it. Then the second one is also plain, nothing's inside it. Then the last one, and you can see the last one is also plain, nothing's inside it. It is a major red flag if by the time you open your recovery sheet and you have recovery seeds written and it comes with your hardware wallet. Your recovery phrase must be generated during the setup of your hardware wallet. It must not come with hardware wallet or supplied by anybody. Another important security features that will happen is at the point you connect both the hardware wallet and your OneKey app together, such that there will be security checks by OneKey app. OneKey app is going to check if the firmware on your hardware wallet is directly from the company. That is, it's going to check to be sure that it is as it was set up before it was dispatched to you. If it has been tampered with, there will be a detection instantly. That is another important security checks that will be demonstrated in the next video. This is how to buy your OneKey hardware wallet safely. For you to get to this page, you see the link below the description of this video. It is very important that you buy directly from the official OneKey website. Make sure you avoid random sellers and marketplaces, and ensure you choose trackable shipping options. As soon as you get to the website I'm using app, you come to this place, you tap it. You can see hardware wallet. As at the time of this video, there is a promo currently running. If you buy OneKey Pro, it's going to cost you this amount, and you are going to get this amount in BTC preloaded on the hardware wallet. The same thing applies to OneKey Classic 1S. That is this one. This is the cost, and it has $20 BTC preloaded, and the same thing applies to this OneKey Classic 1 Pure. When this promo ends, if you use my link which is below the description of this video, you have a discount of 10% on any of the product of your choice. In case you are watching this video in the future where there's no promo currently going on. Suppose you are buying OneKey Classic 1S, you tap on it, you scroll down, all you need to do is to tap buy. You can see this promo will end by 15th. That is when the 10% discount will kick in. You can't apply the two at the same time. So all you need to do is to tap here to add to bag. So you can see OneKey Classic, then you tap checkout. The order summary, the amount is $99. You can use your PayPal, you can use Google Pay. You input your Gmail. If you scroll down, you put your name here, your surname here, which is the last name. You insert the delivery address here, your city, your state, your postal code, and your phone number. Irrespective of your country, you just fill that. These are shipping methods. If you don't want to pay for shipping and delivery, it will take between 25 to 35 days. But if you want to get standard shipping, you pay this amount. It will take between 7 to 18 days. If you want a quick delivery within 5 to 8 days, you pay $28. These are different payment methods. You can use your credit card, your debit card. This is where you complete them. You can also use your PayPal. Another good thing about this is that you can use USDT to pay. You can send money from your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet, or from your exchange like Bybit. By the time you tap this place, before you know it, you will complete the payment and the order will be shipped to your destination. So that is how you make purchase of your OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet. So this is my OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet review, unboxing, and different security checks and features that you need to be aware of before you start using any hardware wallet. Remember these three things. Ensure you check the seal around the box and the packaging before you dismantle them. Make sure that your recovery sheet is plain without a pre-written recovery phrase, and ensure you verify your device, that is your OneKey Classic 1S, this with the official OneKey app. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You get to know as soon as I publish my videos every week. There'll be a series of videos about different hardware wallets. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.